Hey there, in this video, I will show you how to fix memory dump in Roblox. Number 1. We will be using the command prompt application. On your PC, go to Windows Search and type CMD. Number 2. The command prompt application should be available to you. Number 3. Right-click on the CMD application and choose Run as Administrator. Number 4. Once it has run, the next thing you will do is to type a command. That would be ipconfig space slash flush DNS, then just hit enter. Number 5. Once you hit enter, you can see it says successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. From here, you can actually restart your Roblox and see if it resolves the issue. If none of the above solutions work, it might be helpful to seek assistance from the Roblox community forums or support channels, as they may have more specific insights into your particular issue.